Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, and let me tell you, I've gotten my hands dirty with a lot of things over the years. But one machine, simple yet ingenious, has always held a special fascination for me. The bicycle. This two-wheeled wonder, a testament to human ingenuity, has been around for centuries, evolving from humble beginnings to become a global icon of freedom, fitness, and sustainable living. From its early days as a wooden contraption to the sleek, high-tech marvels we see today, the bicycle has come a long way. It's a story of innovation, perseverance, and a touch of daredevil spirit. So, hop on board as we take a ride through the fascinating history of the bicycle and learn a thing or two about keeping these mechanical marvels rolling smoothly. Our story begins in the early 19th century with a German inventor named Karl Drais. Picture this. The year is 1817, and horses are still the main mode of transportation. Drais, a forward-thinking fellow, introduces his Lauf machine, or running machine. This wooden contraption, resembling a scooter more than a bike, had no pedals. Riders propelled themselves forward by kicking their feet on the ground. Primitive as it may seem, Drais's invention planted the seed for the modern bicycle. It introduced the concept of two-wheeled, human-powered transportation. Over the next few decades, inventors tinkered and toiled, adding pedals, improving steering, and experimenting with different materials. The velocipede, with its pedals attached to the front wheel, emerged as a popular iteration, setting the stage for the iconic high-wheel bicycles of the late 19th century. Fast forward to the 1870s, and the bicycle scene is dominated by the penny farthing, a peculiar contraption with a massive front wheel and a tiny rear wheel. These high-wheelers, as they were known, were all the rage. They were faster than their predecessors, but they were also notoriously unstable, earning the nickname Bone Shakers for good reason. Enter James Starley, an English inventor often hailed as the father of the bicycle industry. Starley, recognizing the inherent dangers of the high-wheeler, revolutionized bicycle design with his invention of the safety bicycle in the 1880s. The safety bicycle, with its two wheels of equal size, chain drive, and lower center of gravity, provided a much smoother and safer ride, paving the way for the modern bicycle we know and love today. Section 4. Modern materials and the evolution continues. The late 19th and 20th centuries witnessed a whirlwind of innovation in bicycle design. New materials like steel alloys made bikes lighter and stronger. Pneumatic tires, invented by John Dunlop in 1888, provided a more comfortable ride and improved speed. Gears and handbrakes offered greater control and efficiency. The latter half of the 20th century saw the introduction of even more exotic materials. Aluminum, with its lightweight yet durable properties, became a popular choice for bicycle frames. Carbon fiber, a material prized for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, emerged as the gold standard for high-performance bikes. Today, bicycles continue to evolve, incorporating cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic designs, and advanced suspension systems to enhance performance and comfort. Section 5. Keeping your bike happy. Basic maintenance tips. Now, let's talk about keeping your two-wheeled companion in tip-top shape. Just like any machine, bicycles need regular love and care to perform their best. And trust me, a well-maintained bike is a joy to ride. First things first, cleanliness is key. Mud, grime, and road salt can take a toll on your bike's components, leading to premature wear and tear. So, grab a bucket, some soapy water, and a sponge, and give your bike a good scrub down regularly. Pay attention to the frame, wheels, chain, and derailleur. Once your bike is clean and dry, it's time to show some love to the chain. Section 6. When in doubt, call in the pros. Now, I'm all for DIY, but there are times when it's best to leave things to the experts. If you're facing a complex repair, or if something just doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to take your bike to a qualified mechanic. Regular checkups by a professional can help identify potential problems before they become major headaches. They can also ensure that your bike is properly adjusted and running smoothly. Remember folks, safety first. A well-maintained bike is a safe bike. So, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a weekend warrior, make sure your trusty steed is always up to the task. Happy riding!